Transferring money from American Express card to your bank is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your American Express card to your bank. So for that, what you have to do is you have to make sure you're at your American Express website. Now here what you have to do is you have to log into your account. After going to the website, you just have to log in. After logging into your account, obviously you have to add your user ID, your password, and go to your profile. And in your profile, you have to click on make a transfer option. And in make a transfer option, you will see the amount option, the amount of money you want to transfer, and all of the remaining details for your account. Now, after choosing all of the details, after adding all of the details, you just have to click on this submit button and you will see a screen like that. It will just repeat the things that you just did. It is just telling us what the amount you're transferring, what is the frequency and everything you just added before. After that, you just have to click on the submit again and you will see something like that, which means your deposit is being submitted. So your money from your American Express card to your bank has been transferred. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.